Hey everyone, Lydia here, CEO of Workflow Magic, a PlatinumMonday.com partner. Today I'm going to walk you through a powerful real-time integration that updates products in QuickBooks and syncs back into Monday automatically. This means your product pricing, costs, and account mapping always stays up to date with zero manual data entry. Let's say we're updating an existing product in QuickBooks. Here is our branded merchandise pack. Right now, the purchase cost is $1.60. The income amount is set to advertising. Let's change that. We'll edit the item, switch the income amount to contract labor, and update the purchase cost to $1.80. We'll hit save. In just seconds, you'll see that the item in Monday automatically updates. The status changes to updating and then updated. The new purchase cost and income account are both reflected here. This is a bi-directional sync in action, where QuickBooks is your financial source of truth and Monday reflects the data in real time. Now, let's take it a step further. What if we create a brand new product in QuickBooks? Can it also sync into Monday? Let's create a new service item called Design. We'll skip the SKU, add a simple description, and let's set the rate to $200 an hour. Save and show the product list again. Boom, just like that. The design service now shows up in Monday with the correct price, item type, and income account synced over. Even though we didn't add a cost or extra fields, it still carries over all the essential information. This setup ensures Monday always reflects the most accurate product data, whether you're making changes in your CRM or your accounting system. No duplicate data entry, no manual sync, just clean, real-time updates. If you're ready to connect your finance and ops teams through seamless Monday and QuickBooks workflows, we've got your back. Book a free discovery call with me today using the link below. Let's make your data flow like magic.